So let's work through setting up game 4 of your Blimey box. On this particular game, the only extra thing we need is a pencil, so there's nothing to worry about on that front. We've got pretty straightforward combinations at the top that we're going to use to set all our locks, and then we'll go through our instructions. So the first lock, as always I like to do, is our 3-digit black lock. That's 759. And I'm just going to push him down, twist over, and he's good. The red lock, it says to set to 182. The letter lock needs to be set to TRLID. So I'm going to turn this line up to line up with the shackle. Now I can set the lock to whatever combination I want. TRLID. So that's what I want. So I'm going to turn this back so that our lines match up, and I know that's the combo. And the last lock that we're going to do is our 4-digit. It says to do 5263. So I will set him as so. And that one works as well. So once we have our lock set like it says on the top, the first thing we're going to do is place the treasure inside our small box. You don't need to get too outlandish with your treats. In this case, I'm simply going to give my son a piece of chocolate, which will make his day. You can close that up, and it says to lock it with the 3-digit red lock that is set to 182. So it's already on 182 because we did that ahead of time. I'm simply going to set it and then run all our combinations back to 0, like so. And then once you have the little box ready to go, you just need to set that inside of your big box, and then we'll move that over here until we're ready for our bag. The next step, it says, is to cut apart tasks 1 through 4. If you need to do that, I recommend that you do that now, but I've already done it, so we're just going to go ahead, and we've got our 4 tasks. We're going to move on to the next step. It says fold task 4, place it inside the bag, and close the bag with the hasp. So we've got our lockable bag, our task 4. We simply set him inside of here, and then we put on our hasp. And we're going to lock that with our letter lock and reset it to match. Our 4-digit lock, and reset that to all zeros. And our 3-digit black lock, and reset that to zeros, like so. Once you've got your bag all locked up, you're going to want to set this inside of your larger box, just like that. Then it says to place tasks 1, 2, and 3 inside the box as well. So I've got those 3, which I'll just set behind the bag here. And now we're going to close this, and it says to latch it up. It says to lock it with our key lock. And now your box is ready. All you need to do is give your child the key task along with a pencil. And when he or she gets through their handwriting exercise and gets the key, they're off and running. Have fun. We'll see you on the next box.